g'day, welcome to Atlas Travels. This is our first episode to our mini-series where we answer your questions. Today we'll be giving you a tour around our motorhome, so come on in. Franklin the Motorhome is a Peugeot Boxer, which not only takes you around the world, but has a modern style bathroom and kitchen with a spacious children's playroom, creative style classrooms, state-of-the-art gym to get that summer body ready, one king size, one double and one single bed, as well as a games room and a drink and snacks bar. So what we have here is the switch to turn on the leisure battery, and these switches here on the right are the water pump, lights and so on. This here is the gauge for the water level, and this switch here is to turn on the hot water system. Normally takes around 20 minutes to warm up.